Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam Captcha not working appears to be invalid error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to rule out internet issues. So Captcha requires an active internet connection to verify that the request is made by a human and not a robot. So if your internet connection goes down during the Captcha verification process, you may have problems filling in the Captcha. Thus, make sure your internet is working before anything else. So just check your internet connection by searching for anything else on the browser and see if it works. And if the issue is with the internet, you need to fix your internet connection. Just see home network diagnostic tricks and see and fixes you can try. So before moving forward. So nonetheless, if you encounter a problem with the CAPTCHA filling despite having a working internet, keep applying the remaining fixes. And the second fix that we have for this video is to switch your internet connection. So is your internet connection stable? Because CAPTCHA verification can also be halted if your internet connection isn't stable. So therefore, just try changing your internet connection. So this is if you have another one. And after that, just sign up again. So if switching the internet connection doesn't work, proceed to the next fix, which is to enable or disable a VPN. So the CAPTCHA might not be verified just because you are signing up from a location where Steam itself is banned. Thus, if you suspect that might be the case, just enable your VPN. So doing so eliminates the possibility of IP issues resulting in the error under discussion. And similarly, if you're signing up with a VPN enabled, you should just disable it. So that's it for this video. Those are some fixes that you can do to eliminate the issue discussed. So I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.